Well, we're going to walk down this trail somewhere over there. I don't know how far we're going to get, but we'll have to see here. We're going to do our best. I'm a little hungry. I'm a little tired. I'm a little all twisted out of shape from riding in the van, but and one man travels. I'm going to try to do the best for you here. Well, this tributary dries out here, so it's mostly rocks. And up there's a couple little markers. Then we have to go all the way back up there somewhere. So it's going to take us a while here, I think. Okay, this is a little bit undertaking here. Could be some good vid here coming up here. You never know. Well, I made it this far. Now comes the hard part where you gotta zigzag your way up there, all uphill here. So let me get started because I gotta take a lot of breaks. Well, I made it this far. Still have to go way up there. And those people are there. So gotta get back on the trail, picking them up, putting them down. Well, I'm still not up to the top. Sun is setting. I still have to go up here. And I don't know, somewhere up there. Go near the edge here. There's no guardrail up here. Better put the camera away. Okay, the kid made it to the top. I'm a little worn out, but I made it. And this is where we are. Somewhere down there. But you get a good view out there. You see the sun setting. You know, everybody down there, all those peeps down there, down by the water. So yeah, came up and came off the trail.
The extrusion of the lava there into the big, like, Devil's Tower looking thing.
Oh, yeah. But that's supposed to be the area with the, like the oldest evidence of
Right,
settlement.